ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਲਾਲ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਲਾਲ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੱਟ ਤੇਥੋਂ ਜਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋਣੀ ਬਿਨ ਪੀਤਿਆਂ ਟੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਨੇ ਹਾਰੇ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਡਾਲੀ ਜਾ ਨਾ ਸੁਣਨਾ ਕਹਿ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਲਾਰੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ
How many are you gonna get?
I don't know, man. It really depends on the mood, you know.
You're Mr. Handsome, so you gotta slap it.
So,
are you 5? Why do you have that sides up?
What the fuck? Hey yo, no, that's not fair. That is cheating right there. That is not fair.
I feel like it's
It's lit.
hi guys. So, my man has been doing bowling his whole life.
It's literally against your hand.
Oh, we did.
A bit more left.
Mrs. Lalka.
No, you're gonna embarrass me.
Yeah, we have so much fun.
Trick shots. Trick shot.
He grabbed my dick.
Oh. Okay.
W's ending.
I don't like this, man.
What is he doing? What is going on?
Come on, England.
It's coming on, it's coming on.
I was so in sync.
Skate singing on.
I don't know this song. I don't know this song.
It's coming on.
Go on, sniff it for the vlog.
Bro, can you press the red button? Can you press the red button?
Come this way, just like that.
I'm your mum. We're gonna lock down. We're gonna use logic, mum logic. We're gonna wait for the disease to go, but then we'll come out. All right? I'm your mum. I'll get you through this. Why do we drink bleach? Don't listen to your dad.
Spider-Man.
Let me go, bro.
How are you gonna get off?
Let me go. Fuck your hands, man. Fuck you, bro.
It's tough, right? You wanna catch it? Catch it? Hey, catch it! Wow. Should we name them? Simran. The white one obviously is Patrick, and the other one is Nusrat.
Where did he even... Really? That's your third one, by the way. No. Yes.
Okay guys, hope you're doing well. So as you can see, I've got the new trim at the moment. So we just got the sides done, just get a bit shorter, but yeah, we're growing out the man bun, so hopefully that'll be good for the summer. And yeah, so we don't really have much to talk about in this vlog, to be honest. I'm back at my project after being ill a little bit, as you saw in the last two vlogs. So we're back, we're finishing off the project, so I'm gonna do a presentation next week to like finish it off, so hopefully get you a bit of that. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying some of the lab footage, just to see what I'm doing in the lab, some pipetting, stuff like that with the cells, so it's good stuff. And yeah, so I'm off to Jersey next week, so you'll see the vlog for that, and yeah, should be all good. So, I'll see you later. Nish, say hi.
Bye. Wow.
I take some of even pat. I don't know how to do it, but I'll try. Teach me and I'll do it.
Let's get some pics of me.
Oh, you guys did it quick. Fucking hell. Do you want to
Hello.
Are you sure? Slowly. Yeah. Good? Oh.
Why are you enjoying it?
Oh, no. Do it again.
That's what uni does everything.
Yo, tengo Calderón, Don Omar, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy.
Alright, so as you can see on this kind of last little bit here, that's me kind of during my 6 weeks after the exams I was doing this project, and I was just doing a little presentation here, and this will lead into my third year project and a kind of final year project of my course. So yeah, really exciting times, and you can see me presenting, really nervous and doing random stuff in it. But yeah, I just wanted to show this little clip.